TOBB. TOBB is the Union of Chambers. TOB is Supreme Professional Organization and legal representative of private sector in Turkey. TOBB is the supreme organization of 365 chambers and commodity exchange. It means Chamber of Commerce, Chambers of Industry, Chambers of Commerce and Industry, and also Maritime Commerce, and also commodity exchange in 165 counties, 81 provinces. The headquarters is Ankara. We want to provide the collaboration in the affiliated members or the full members. We provide the collaboration in tourism industry. In the tourism in Turkey, it will be good. It recovered after the pandemic. We will recover it. Everything is fine in the Turkey about tourism industry.